Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, we're here to get into some court updates pertaining to Emilio Garcia versus Megan Thee Stallion in Rock Nation. All right, now before we actually get started, y'all know how I like to have my little copyright disclaimer up on the section 107 saying that, hey, this is fair use. I am not a paralegal, I am not an attorney, and I am not a judge. I am simply saying that, hey, I know how to read. All right. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So, this is a court update, obviously. As y'all can see here, dear Judge Woods, plaintiff Emilio Garcia, which is the plaintiff, and defendants Megan Thee Stallion, Megan Thee Stallion Entertainment, Inc., and Hot Girl Touring, LLC, the Pete defendants, and Rock Nation, LLC, Rock Nation collectively parties, right jointly to provide a status update regarding the above captioned action. Okay. So, pursuant to the November the 18th, 2024 scheduling order. So, let's look at the upcoming deadlines. So, when it comes to the upcoming deadlines, the court has scheduled a pre-motion conference set for September the 4th, which was 2 days ago at 4 p.m., regarding defendants' intent to file a deposition as discussed below. And then it says the court has scheduled a telephonic status conference for September 10th. Now, this will be in 4 days. Okay. So this will be at 4 p.m. All parties expect to appear and will provide an appearance sheet to the court in advance thereof, in compliance with Rule 2B of Your Honor's individual rules of practice in civil cases, individual rules. Pursuant to the scheduling order, the party's deadline to file motions for summary judgment is September the 22nd. Refer back to docket 64. At this time, there is no outstanding motions. And when it comes down to status of discovery, the parties have completed both fact discovery and expert discovery, including depositions of all fact witnesses and expert witnesses identified by both sides. The parties do not expect any further discovery to be completed and have no discovery disputes outstanding. Status of settlement discussions. Now, there's some tea. I've heard some tea. Right? Got some tea, y'all. So this is some tea. The parties engaged in a settlement discussion on August the 13th, 2025, during which plaintiff agreed to provide defendants with a written settlement demand. Plaintiff has not yet provided such demand to defendants. Plaintiff will provide a settlement demand before the status conference on September the 10th, which again will be in 4 days. Trial. The parties presently anticipate that any trial on this case will last 1 week and expect the case to be tried by a jury. Okay, so the Pete defendants and Rock Nation submitted their pre-motion letters concerning their anticipated motions for summary judgment on August the 28th, 2025. Refer back to docket 129 and also docket 130. And the court has set a pre-motion conference for September the 4th, 2025 at 4 p.m., which was 2 days ago. Refer back to docket 131. The Pete defendants also anticipate making a motion pursuit Fed or EV 702 and Dahlberg to exclude the testimony of plaintiff's expert, Dr. Jessica Rowe, which they will file contemporaneous with their summary judgment motion in accordance to Rule 3F of Your Honor's individual rules. As the defendants anticipate moving for summary judgment, the parties' proposed joint pretrial order will be due 21 days after the court issues its decisions on such motions. And that you have it. Quick and speedy update. Now, as I always say, when you lead with integrity, you never have to worry about somebody questioning your loyalty or your intentions. And if you like what you see here today, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.